Here I have Poco X5, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot. But firstly we have to remove cover from our Poco X5. Here we can find this SIM card and SD card slot. So this is where our tool comes in handy. You have to put it inside the hole next to the slot, slightly press it and the slot will pop out. So here you have to put your SD card and here you have to put your SIM card and then put it back into your device just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires a PIN code to my SIM card, which is to prove that SIM card is detected. And there's also a notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.